At Ranger Design, we're all about boosting your delivery fleet's productivity and decreasing time loss. Our solution is fold-away shelving. This shelving unit has a weight capacity of 250 pounds and can turn your cargo area into a flexible space that can be reconfigured within minutes to accommodate whatever you may be carrying. This eliminates wasted space in the back of the van and increases the number of packages you're able to deliver each day. It's a product designed for efficiency and speed. It's also built to ensure that your cargo space is as safe and as quiet as possible. With a pinch guard on every shelf and plastic corner covers, we've ensured there's no chance of injury while working in the van. For a rattle-free ride, the built-in gas shocks keep the shelves firmly in the up or down position at all times. Looking to make the most of your delivery day? Start with Ranger Design's fold-away shelving.